Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Palantir, and we have been tracking this 1-2 setup where we got now the third wave that is actually not yet complete and might still be a way away. And within this third wave we completed a 1, a 2, and then now we are considering the completion, or considering being near the completion of the internal third wave of the third wave. But yeah, we are tracking this third wave as a diagonal pattern, and to be honest, it could be that it would end up extending out even more and that we weren't actually tracking a diagonal, and instead within this third wave we actually had this extension as well, where maybe we had a series of 1-2 setups and then we started this third wave, and then we would need another fourth and the fifth here to complete this one. But at the moment we still need to follow this movement to completion, and then we can see if we find an early support zone before we would actually reach the large wave 4 support zone. But overall, in the latest videos we have been tracking these last few miles to the upside, and I provided you this level quite a while ago at around $119 as the level that would need to break for me to have a pretty heavy consideration that we would be heading lower in the correction. I think it was right around when we were around this area that I said, okay, if we break below this level, we are most likely going lower in a fourth wave of some sorts. But we didn't break it, we actually pushed higher, and to further push our conviction of a diagonal pattern in this case, we have this fifth wave to the upside that very well looks like an ABC, A, B, C, where in the C wave we completed a wave 1 up, also in a diagonal this C wave, and then a wave 2 down, and now in an ABC, the third wave, A, B, C. And with this latest push, we were actually, might have been either at the top here or around this correction area when I made the last video, and I mentioned that I am expecting at least one more high in this area, and we actually got it. But I'm looking now, I think we may get even yet another one more high to complete this C wave, because honestly I could see this being somewhere a small 1-2 setup, and then we had a 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a fifth to complete it. And to be honest, I could see even more than another 4-5 pattern to complete this third wave of this C wave to the upside, or no, to complete this C wave that would complete this third wave to the upside. So I do want to provide you a cautionary support zone for this idea where we go directly higher, but I want you to be very careful if you intend to use it. It's, to be honest, more intended towards awareness of when we might have actually completed this third wave, because what I am actually looking at the most, what I'm most interested in at the moment is this larger fourth wave that would have a support zone between $149.8 down to around $133.5. And after this support zone, I am actually expecting another push to the upside, in, of course, in an ABC pattern, but still another push in this fifth wave that would complete or could complete this large third wave. So yeah, at the moment these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.